Mama. Hello, boss. Look who is at work. Say morning to the face.
Hi.
Hi, face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Staying, they say. Quarantine, they say. So that's what we're doing. Baby's home today. Baby's working from home today. Tyler is being homeschooled today. And for the rest of the week and the next week and whenever, how long the president says. So the fact that baby is home and he still have to work, I set up a little surprise office space for babe in Sarah's room this morning. So when he woke up, I said, babe, go and look in Sarah's room, but he couldn't stop laughing. He said, only you, honey. So let me show you the little office space that I set up for babe in Sarah's room, so he can work comfortably from home. So he have his covers to make and whatnot. Let me show you a little peek inside. There's office. There's office. You like your office?
Yeah. I would like it more if things was working.
If it was what? Your laptop not working? So what you gonna do?
Waiting on them to call me.
So you tell them?
Yeah, I was 45 minutes with the assistant.
But the reason why I set up babe office in Sarah's room for right now, it's because when I work out in the mornings, it's very loud around our room because the music is super high and Sarah's laptop is super high in the morning. So alright, teething life. So that's why I set it up around there, but I'm gonna eventually move him in our room when I clean our room, because then Sarah have to nap in her bed. But don't worry, the office is mobile. It's mobile, so we're good. And I gave Tyler work to do. I know it won't be easy for him to work as Sarah laptop. Sarah, come. The TV have to be on for Sarah. Hey, mama, mama, come, mama, mama, mama. You ready for your orange? 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 You ready for? You ready for? You ready for your orange? You ready? Tell face good morning. Tell face good morning. Tell face good morning. Morning, 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 morning. Oh, let me get the orange. The orange. Orange. The orange. Orange. Orange rose, yummy. Oh. She was waiting on this. You were waiting on this orange juice, eh? She was waiting on her orange juice. Anyway, you guys, so that's what is happening around here. Woke up this morning and got my workout in as usual. I'll insert the clips and show you guys a little of what I got done this morning. Note, I hope you guys are okay. I hope if you have to stay in, you'll find a comfortable little spot to work if you still have to work. If not, then I hope you guys just relax and take this time to probably rest or something. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go ahead and do a little cleaning up around here and look after the fam bam and get some work done. I have work to do, so it will be a busy day. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. I reached line 4 already.
Yes, I already finished line 3.
Say morning to the face.
Morning face. And look, the photo you made is tricky.
Okay, so Tala is writing his numbers. You did 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Why is it tricky?
Baby.
That's not how you write 4 at school?
Yes, it's like that, but the more is like that. The more is like that.
The more? What do you mean? Yeah, but I don't know.
Mama, the more is to do a flow is like that. Look.
Yeah, so that's how I do it. So you do your
But
beside
there
me.
is a line like that is the more.
Okay, do it and show me how you know to do it.
Look. First and one.
Oh, that's the 4 you want to write?
Yes.
Okay. Gets more real and real around here. Jen just sent me two pictures of the supermarket just down the street. The line outside, I'll try and insert those pictures so you guys have an idea of what it looks like. But man, it's getting scary. Anyway, you guys, I am actually making some food for Sarah. I know you guys like to know what I make for her. So right now I am making her, this is going to be her dinner for a few days, and I have broccoli and Irish potato in here, and then this is gonna be her lunch for a few days, and this is carrots, a few pieces of broccoli and green beans and fish. So that's gonna be our lunch for a few days. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend up these right now and kind of start mapping out in my head what's gonna be for dinner. Sarah won't give Tyler a break for Tyler to do his work. Tyler, rub it out properly. Press on the rubber so it rub it out. Hold it short. Hold it short. Your pencil gonna fall. You. Look at there. You. Where you going? You, pretty girl. Where you going?
You go.
Come, Tyler, do your work. Look at her. What? Who you calling? Huh? Mama? 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 No. What you mean no? Say mama. 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 Call mama. Mama. Say mama. 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 You see her? That's how she behave. Why are you standing on that, Sarah? Get the... Sarah, you're gonna fall. No. Peekaboo. 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 You're so sweet. Go Sarah. 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 That's for the face. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. I can breathe now. I can breathe. You guys, let me just tell you how our day just take a turn. Our day take a turn. We went on the road to get some last minute, sure, top up things. We went on the road. Why we went on the road, honey?
We went on the road. We went to 1, 2, 3 different stores and get the last things that we think we're gonna need for the next 2 weeks, because we didn't really buy much things. So regardless of the situation, we just at least wanted to have sure things for the next 2 weeks, should say.
Because we finally in complete shutdown now for 2 weeks.
So yeah, and we have the Kalilu. We have a lot of Kalilu.
We have Kalilu.
Oh, for people that saw the previous vlog with the Kalilu, we have a lot of Kalilu.
We have
we survive. We have Kalilu, we have mackerel.
Serve it purpose.
We survive.
Because no tin things in the supermarket, everything is gone. And I was like, I couldn't vlog. So we're here now. I'm just gonna scroll through a few of the things that we got. We won't do no big haul, but just to give you guys an idea. We top up on what we top up on. We top up on extra snack. Yeah. We finally got lettuce. We got some more. What is this? Pasta. We finally find celery, and I finally find apple, and I finally find ginger. So that's 2 main things that I wanted. And I finally got sweet pepper, and I finally got zucchini, and I pick up some more tuna somewhere in the bag, and I got some more coconut milk somewhere in the bag. I got some tomatoes, I got some Nesquik to make tea, and I still don't get any chicken, but that's okay, we'll survive without it.
Got snack, pack up a lot of snack.
Oh yeah, a lot of snack.
The kids will be home. Well, Tyler and I am the kid, the second one. I'll be home for the next at least 2 weeks.
Right.
So we got a lot of. Oh, this is what.
Right. There's no fresh bread, so I had to get toast bread.
Toast bread. We got a lot of things. Another cookie. That's the necessity. That's the necessity.
And I got oil. This is the baby oil, and it was the last 2, so I just grabbed them.
Baby oil. We have cashew.
Yes, I got cashew.
That's necessity. So we got some sugar.
And couldn't find no flour.
I'm like you guys, I'm discovering the same time. Babe went to the supermarket. I'm so proud of her. So I'm like,
I went alone.
What she got. She got another baby oil here. You can see that is not
tuna.
healthy food coming. Some tuna, always good, and that can keep it. Always good to have tuna. Let's see what else we have here. We have another snack. Yes, I tell Babe to get a lot of snack. We need snack can stay, and we started. We don't know what to expect. We got some more tuna. Cool. Oh, Broccoli? Broccoli. I think it's Sarah that eats.
Sarah eat a lot of broccoli, so I had to buy more.
So we have a good amount of broccoli here. Oh, we have Nutella. You find Nutella?
The small ones, yes. I find the
That's
small
cool.
ones, so I
have
take
two
it.
Nutella just in case for Tyler.
Yeah, and we got milk and water, so those are all the things.
Milk, a lot of water. I think there's more bags. There's more bags here. 3 more bags.
There's 3 more.
3 more bags.
We won't show everything, just to give you guys an idea.
A good
We
amount
got
of
eggs.
eggs. We got eggs here.
Turn on that light.
What's here we have? We
And we
have
get
some
diaper for Sarah.
diapers. We have some tissue here.
We got saltfish. Show them the saltfish,
Big
baby.
saltfish. Wow.
We got a whole of
Wow.
saltfish.
Big saltfish. So we'll be safe. We have an oil. We have some soap. We have some green beans. Some
garbage bags. And
some medicine.
yeah, we got
Yeah, you got a lot of soap. Some juice. Oh, it's a bag of juice. Nice.
juice for Tyler.
Coconut milk.
And yeah, so those are all the things that we got real quick. So yeah, it'll be good.
We're ready.
What did the president say? Just give them a quick rundown.
The president just said that for the next 2 weeks, the country will be down in terms of no meeting between friends, only people that doing like a vital, like an essential activity, continue going to work. Other people that just
Stay home.
If they can work from home, they can work from home. It just say that if company about to bankruptcy, like the state will cover the debt and all of these things. So yeah, it's trying to say everybody, we be together, we'll find this. If you just cough a little bit or don't go to the hospital because you have more chance on your way to the hospital to like contaminate the others. So just stay home, call the doctor and follow the instruction. Yeah, basically is that is no meeting, don't be outside, or you'll be fine. You said you'll be fine.
And the police and the soldiers will be outside.
So, at least
hey,
minimum 2 weeks, and I think it's the only things to really stop the things is we stay home.
Of course.
So if we don't have the virus, we can't get it, and we don't give it to anybody. The main thing is that so many people have it and they don't even know because they don't have no symptom, but they still can give it to somebody else. So we are young, we are strong, but we all in contact normally with all the people and all of these things that can be more in danger. So yeah, that's the things. Stay strong, stay motivated, and catch up and keep up. That's what the president said.
while you're home, yes.
While you're home.